My name is McMorris. I am an associate professor in the Workland School of Education. I'm a clinical psychologist by training, and I'm also the director of the Enhance Lab. So broadly, my research is really focused on improving the mental health and well-being of children, youth, and young adults who have a neurodevelopmental condition, and that includes things like autism, fetal alcohol spectrum disorder, and cerebral palsy. I'm particularly interested in why these folks or these kiddos are at heightened risk for experiencing mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. I'm also interested in how we can effectively treat or help provide support for these folks to make sure that their mental health doesn't become a lifelong issue, and also determining effective prevention strategies through things like peer mentorship and inclusive sport. When I started my position here at Calgary, my first hope was to raise awareness that mental health in neurodivergent folks is the norm rather than the exception. It's very common and very prevalent. My second hope is that our work will really create this evidence base that can sort of provide support to larger systems like schools and healthcare to really suggest that there's ways to effectively mitigate mental health issues in neurodivergent folks. And in order to do that, we recognize the importance of including neurodivergent folks in developing these interventions. So we partner with people with lived experience to understand how best to support them, but also ways that our neurotypical world can be modified to really support these individuals to thrive. Given that my research spans a variety of topic areas such as child health, mental health, child development, and different methodologies, I've really benefited from having a variety of different affiliations and memberships at various institutes across the University of Calgary campus, both in terms of how to foster transdisciplinary collaborations, how to create innovative, impactful research questions, having access to state-of-the-art equipment through the Orco Center, for example, and then also being part of some really exciting, innovative research initiatives.